All right, do you remember your first childhood romance? Might have been church camp, maybe elementary school. For me, it was the 4th grade. It was a classic romance. You know, one of those where I wrote on a piece of paper, "Do you like me?" Mark yes or no. Oh, it was an awesome moment when I got the paper back, marked yes. It was a long relationship for the 4th grade, probably 4 to 5 days. And then came the heartbreaking news. She didn't like me anymore. She liked my arch nemesis, Mark Rowlands. Well, you know, I think back at that time and I wonder, does anybody ever really love anybody at that age? But you know, as we get older, our heart expands. Our capacity for feelings expands. And so not only do we feel more compassion, more grace, and more love, we can also feel more vulnerability and more hurt and more pain. You know, if we're not careful, we can allow that pain to move us away from loving deeply in kind of what we might call a seared heart, a calloused heart, or as the Bible calls it, a hard heart. And when that happens in our relationships with each other, it can deeply affect our relationship with God. What Jesus calls us to is a convertible heart. Continuing in Matthew 18, Jesus compares the kingdom of God to a servant who owes his master a ton of money, a debt that cannot be repaid. But that servant gets grace from his master only to go out and treat another servant with no grace at all. Jesus' closing words are going to be what we study this Sunday morning in our Convertible series. So come Sunday morning, be a little early, and bring a friend. Also, you may have noticed we had a few GM convertibles out there last week. All right, Ford lovers, it's your time. Come Sunday morning and see what we've got for you. We'll see you then.